Car for Living viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a term that's thrown around a lot in the car world, JDM. You might have heard car enthusiasts talk about JDM cars, parts, or styles, but what does JDM actually mean? Let's find out. What is JDM? JDM stands for Japanese Domestic Market, which refers to vehicles or parts that are specifically designed for the Japanese market. In Japan, the car industry has its own set of regulations, and certain features or designs are only allowed for use within the country. As a result, JDM vehicles often have unique characteristics that differ from their counterparts in other markets. JDM cars. JDM cars are highly sought after by car enthusiasts because of their unique designs, high-quality craftsmanship, and impressive performance. JDM cars include popular models like the Toyota Supra, Nissan Skyline, and Honda NSX, which have gained legendary status among car enthusiasts worldwide. JDM cars often have features like lightweight construction, high-revving engines, and advanced suspension systems, which make them highly capable on the track. JDM parts. JDM parts are also popular among car enthusiasts because of their quality and unique design. JDM parts can range from performance parts like engines, transmissions, and suspension systems to cosmetic parts like body kits, wheels, and seats. JDM parts are highly sought after because they often offer better performance than their counterparts in other markets and can give a unique look to your vehicle. That's it. We hope this video has helped you understand what JDM means and why it's so popular among car enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.